In this video, I will show you how to create a smart attendance tracker that will record attendance, automatically calculate number of present and absent days, attendance percentage, also change cell color based on absent and present values so that the user can easily identify the change. So let's start. In HR, attendance tracking is one of the most repetitive and time-consuming tasks, but with few simple Excel formulas, you can turn it to a completely automated attendance sheet. So let's start. To create our sheet, first enter our employees list like this. Once employee list is added, we will add a serial number to it. Once you have added the serial numbers, give it employee names. Adjust the column width by dragging these columns as per your need. The next thing we will give number of days like 1, 2. We will keep 31 days because of maximum days length. Once you have done the 31 days, we will adjust the column width. We will select our entire range, go to format, get column width and give 5 as column width. You can also give as per your choice. Now our column width is ready. We will add the name of days. So let's suppose we are going to make this sheet for November. So we will see that November month is starting from Saturday. So we will give here the first day as Saturday. Drag this plus sign to the end of the day. Excel will automatically give you the day names for the whole month. Now at the end, here we need to calculate the number of present days, so we'll count as number of present. Here number of absents. Here percentage. Press Alt Enter. Give it like this. Now we will work on our header. To work on our header, we need it. We will select the entire range, go to merge and center, and here we'll type. You can type any name of your tracker. Here I am keeping my name as professional attendance tracker. Click on it. Go to this alignment tab, make it center align, and then go to size. Give it a size as per your requirement. Now press Ctrl B to make it bold. Here select both cells, click merge and center, and then center align. Similar behavior with this, merge and center, center align. Similar behavior with this one, merge and center, center align. Similar behavior, merge and center, center align. Okay, now let's give borders to all of our tracker. I am selecting the entire range. Go to border and select all borders. Now our borders have been added in this sheet. Now let's give it some text alignments. For this area, we will give center align. So let's add some colors so that it looks beautiful. Select the header. Give it a color of your choice as per your requirement. So I am giving this color. Now you can see that it's not like more visible, so I will make the text color as white. Alright, give our days color as red, or you can give it yellow color, and then number of days name you can give it a red color or whatever as per your choice. Let's give this color. Again, it is your choice, or you can also give custom color code if you remember. I have one color of choice I am giving here. Make text size and make it bold here as well. Now it will take your previous setting, so you don't need to give it a new color code because it's already selected here. So we will give it a center aligned situation. So up to now we have made our attendance tracker. We can call it a template, but it's not a working tracker. We need a working tracker so that we can calculate attendance of the employee. So here I am giving how we will record attendance. We will record attendance like this. Then we will select mark the off days. Sunday is off day. Select all Sundays. Drag your mouse, press Ctrl, and it will keep the selection highlight for you. Once you have done, go to background cell, background color, and give color of your choice. Now you can see that our all Sundays are highlighted as holidays. So now to save our time, I will put some present, absent, and holidays data to save our time. As we have completed our sample monthly attendance data for our employees, let's calculate the number of presents and number of absents for each employee. To calculate number of present and number of absent for each employee, we will come here. Now here we will count number of presents. To count number of presents, we will use countif formula. Countif, we will give the range of the data from where the present and absent values are located. So here from D7 to AH7 I have given the range for each employee. Now I will give the criteria to count. So our criteria will be P, parenthesis close, as hit enter, and you can see that it has count 25 presents, mean this employee is present for 25 days in the month. Now similarly we will count number of absents. Again I will use formula countif. Drag the mouse to select the entire range. Then criteria will be here. Absent is 1 day present and 1 day absent and present for 25 days. We need to copy this formula. Click on plus sign and drag this formula to down. Click on plus sign and drag this formula to down. Now present and absent days are being calculated. Now suppose if I take a sample and make this present as absent. Now see what difference will come. Now you see that the number of present reduce and number of absent increase. Similarly, if I make it again present to absent, see, this is our automated sheet. The next thing we will do, we will format our cells based on a color. Let's suppose we want to, now you can see that here is absence, but we cannot identify in this data, and if we have hundreds and thousands of employees, it will be very difficult to find us absent days. So what we will do, we will format our cell color based on our values. Let's see how. Select your entire data range, go to conditional formatting, click new rule, select this last option, equal. Our first cell value is D7. Click here. Press F4 to remove all the cell dollar signs and equal to. We are doing for present, so we will give present. Now what cell color you want based on present value, go to format. We will do the fill color. We will give this light green. Press OK, press OK, and you see that wherever the value is present, the cell will become green. Now we need to give similar color or similar rule for absent values. We will again select the value, our data range, go to conditional formatting, new rule, select this option, use formula to determine which cells to format, equal to. Again we will start from our D7, press F4 until you see this without any dollar sign. A, what rule, what color you want to select for A? I am selecting here this color. You can choose color of your choice. Press A. Now you see that wherever the absent value is available, cell color is changed. Now see that I will do change it from present to absent. It will give me the change the cell color value. Also you can see that we are doing absent, our values are being changed, so it is automatically calculating present and absent numbers and also changing cell colors. Now the last thing, we need to count the percentage of present and absent. Here we will not count holidays, we will count the percentage of attendance based on working days only. To do this, we have to apply this formula. To count percentage of the attendance, I am going to expand this column width so that you can understand what formula we are using. To count the percentage of attendance, we will first count number of present days. To do this, we will first give the range, then criteria is P, close parenthesis, divided by total number of attendance recorded, whether absent, present or holiday. So we will give at count A. This will count non-blank values for us. Again our range will be same, minus number of holidays. So again we will give countif, range will be same, this time our criteria will be absent. Close the criteria, double parenthesis close, press hit enter. It's saying we have a typo error, don't worry, click OK, change to percentage, and now we have got our percentage value. Just drag this formula to down and you can see that it has given us percentage for all our employees. Click and see where we have made the typo error. We have done, we just need to count 3 closing parentheses at the end. So now my dear viewers, we have made a fully automatic attendance tracker. Let's make it a bit more beautiful. We will go to view and remove its grid line so that our tracker looks professional. If you like this video, please subscribe and share so that you never miss my upcoming videos. See you in the next one.